Here's one you might not have heard of before. The Christy 6146FC, a powerful hovercraft designed for versatility across various terrains. Developed by a Russian company, this model builds on the success of its earlier series. Its unique operation involves a special fan that creates the air cushion, allowing it to hover seamlessly over surfaces. One of the standout advantages is its exceptional mobility, launching easily from almost any surface. It comfortably seats up to 6 passengers, can carry up to 550 kilograms, and is powered by a 120 horsepower 4-stroke engine. That means it reaches speeds of up to 70 kilometers an hour on land and 55 kilometers an hour on water. The primary purpose of this hovercraft isn't limited to snow travel. It's also designed for activities such as fishing, hunting, rescue missions, and patrolling remote areas. This mechanism is straightforward. Users pedal while a 250-watt motor provides assistance. This support allows riders to reach speeds of up to 25 kilometers an hour, with a battery range of 45 kilometers on a full charge, combining the fun of cycling with sledding. Knowing how famous France is for its ski resorts, it shouldn't come as a surprise that the E-Trace was designed and developed by the French company AROSNO. If these look familiar, you might have seen them first in one of the Fast and Furious movies. Mattracks, an American company renowned for its rubber track conversion systems, transforms standard vehicles into all-terrain beasts by replacing their wheels. These systems can be swapped in about 30 minutes, which might not be mind-blowingly quick, but quick enough. They work with ATVs, UTVs, trucks, and even agricultural machinery. One of their models can handle impressive loads, up to 18 tons, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications. As for the uses, you'll find owners taking them for a ride in snowy environments, but also in mud, sand, and rocky terrains, in some cases getting as fast as 64 km per hour, depending on the vehicle and conditions. When you think of snow adventures, what comes to mind? Skis, snowboards, maybe snowmobiles? How about a dirt bike? In a similar manner as Mattracks, conversion kits from TIMBERSLED replaced the rear tyre with a track system and the front wheel with skis, allowing you to enjoy riding all year long. Thanks to their modular design, they fit popular dirt bikes like Kawasaki, Yamaha, and KTM. You just choose the kit that matches your bike's make, model, and year. The manufacturer offers 3 models tailored for different riding styles, all featuring lightweight components and advanced suspension systems. Prices range from just about $2,000 to almost $8,000 USD, depending on what you get in the end. Stand up, be aggressive and look forward. Tips from the Canadian multi-champion JSR, both regarding dirt bikes as well as this machine. The WIDESCAPE. As a stand-up snowmobile, it'll get you to astonishing speeds of 60 kilometers per hour. However, it's best suited for heavy snow conditions. Since the engine has liquid cooling, it's built in a way that the snow from the tracks gets thrown onto the heat exchanger. Less snow, warmer cooling liquid, quicker motor overheating. Keep that in mind and you'll be entertained for hours, navigating between trees and jumping off rocks. A truly fun piece of equipment that comes with a price, $8,500. 1,500 horsepower that really don't need a lot of words. With a fitting name, the Ripsaw, made by the company How and How, will go through pretty much anything. Remember the Dodge Hellcat? Well, it features only a 376 cubic inch Hemi motor. The Ripsaw almost doubles the number, 727 cubic inches. By the way, they have also shown a 4-seater model, in case you want to drop the kids off at school. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets. And if you want to check out some insane water vehicles, click on the screen for the next video.